investor, andito po tayo ngayon sa South Point Villas. Located at Poblacion 3, Alaminos, Laguna. Bakit nga ba maganda sa South Point?
Prime location in the heart of Alaminos. Perfect for families and smart investor. Peaceful community living and flood-free. Looking for a home that accessible and affordable? Welcome to South Point Villas, where comfort meets convenience. Everything you need is just a minute away. 3 meters frontage area, 40 square meter lot area, 46.60 square meter floor area. Uy, ka-investor, birthday turnover ito kaya ikaw masusunod sa design na gusto mo. Living room, dining, and kitchen, pasok ang design na gusto mo. One toilet and bath, ito ay provision for 2 to 3 bedrooms. Don't miss this opportunity to own a home in Alaminos. Start your dream home today. For only 5,000 reservation, contact us now.